Hello friends, Mercedes has been restless due to Porsche's achievements, and it seems that the three-pointed star wants to outpace its competitor in everything. Today, I will tell you about the company's new project that will compete with the Porsche Taycan. This is the AMG GT, the new generation of the four-door GT, but you won't find any hybrid powertrain here. This is an electric car. It is the first vehicle from the company built on the new specialized Mercedes-AMG EA platform. The unique feature of this platform is that it was created exclusively for AMG models, developed by the Mercedes-AMG division without interference from the parent company. The car itself will be a pioneer in various technologies and will unofficially be the most advanced and high-tech Mercedes on the market, offering solutions that no one else has. One such solution will be a smart suspension using a more powerful computing core that adapts the car to various conditions. The new GT will use a subsystem that is 4 times more powerful than current electric cars with the hyperscreen system and pneumatic suspension. The GT will also receive its special version of the operating system from Mercedes, which will eventually appear in other models of the company, allowing influence over various vehicle components. Of course, the technologies that Mercedes uses in the powertrain of the project are the most impressive. In this area, Mercedes is already actively working with the American company Sila, which specializes in next-generation battery materials. Their main strength lies in the silicon anode. This innovative anode material contains a high level of silicon, which allows for increased battery energy density without compromising safety or other operational parameters. Compared to today's commercially available batteries of similar format, Sila's technology allows for a 20 to 40% increase in energy density, achieving results of over 800 Wh per liter at the cell level. This important development enables such batteries to store much more energy in the same volume, significantly increasing the range of future vehicles without increasing the weight and size of the battery itself. And such a battery will be used in the new GT. But that's not all. In the top configuration, the AMG GT will use a 4-motor powertrain, opening up incredible possibilities for Mercedes sports models. However, if conventional motors are used, the setup would be power-hungry and heavy. Therefore, Mercedes took a radical step and acquired the British company YASA. This deal opened up access to advanced technologies in electric motors for the German automaker. The main highlight of YASA's motors is their axial design. Unlike traditional electric motors, where the magnetic flux is directed perpendicular to the axis of rotation, in YASA's axial motors, it is parallel. This allows for the creation of more compact, lighter, and powerful powertrains. YASA's axial motors also have significantly higher power compared to traditional solutions. This means that such motors can deliver more power at similar sizes and weights of traditional motors. Additionally, due to their design, axial motors have high efficiency and performance, positively impacting the range of electric vehicles and energy consumption. The AMG GT will have 4 such motors with nearly 1,000 horsepower and 1,500 Nm of torque in the most powerful configuration. The dynamics of the model will be corresponding. Mercedes is already hinting that the new model will closely approach the 2-second mark in acceleration to the first 100. The top speed will be unnaturally high for an electric car. Mercedes has already introduced us to YASA's engines. For example, the concept car Vision 1.11 is equipped with such axial motors from YASA, allowing it to produce nearly 1,300 horsepower, which is quite impressive. To better understand the direction the new model will take in terms of design, just look at the Vision AMG concept, as many design elements will be taken from there. When does the company plan to showcase the new model? It's certain that we shouldn't expect it before next year. The project is at an early testing stage, so we will have to wait a bit. The Italian manufacturer of exclusive cars Pininfarina presented the first of 4 hypercars inspired by the image of Batman live at the Monterey Car Week in California. This fully electric car, named Pininfarina B95 Gotham, is built on the Atramac platform and features an open Barchetta-style body. The design and characteristics of the car are inspired by the legendary superhero Batman. All 4 unique hypercars were digitally unveiled on April 30th, But only this month the company will give the opportunity to see the car in person and announced the project prices. All of them were created in collaboration with Warner Brothers and Relevance International, which holds the rights to the fictional character from the DC universe. The companies took the live debut of the new model so seriously that for this occasion it was photographed next to the legendary Tumbler Batmobile from the Dark Knight trilogy in the studio where the film was actually shot. The car itself is painted in a glossy black color, Argento Vittorio, with black, matte, and glossy wheels. The interior is trimmed with brown leather with interesting stitching and brown thread. Pininfarina also added Wayne Enterprises logos on the body, chassis, and door panels, as well as unique graphics on the information display. Additionally, they included a virtual assistant with the voice of Alfred Pennyworth, Bruce Wayne's butler. Finally, the quote, "All men have limits. I ignore mine" is inscribed on the door, driver's side panels. Like the standard Pininfarina B95 Borchetta, the unique Gotham version is equipped with 4 electric motors with a total output of 1900 horsepower and is powered by a 120 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery. The car accelerates to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 2 seconds. Other Batman-themed cars will also share the same platform and specifications from Rimac. The public debut of the Pininfarina B95 Gotham will take place on August 16th during the Monterey Car Week. According to the company, this will be a show car, as the actual unit intended for customers is currently being built at the Pininfarina Atelier in Cambiano, Italy. Physical debuts of the B95 Dark Knight and Battista Dark Knight are likely to follow later. Pininfarina will release only 1 unit of each unique model. The price for the Battista is $3,704,000, while the unique B95 Dark Knight will cost $5,338,000. Want to feel like Bruce Wayne? Well, you'll have to shell out some cash. However, the Batman suit will have to be purchased separately. Well, friends, on this cheerful note, I conclude this episode. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting, and I remind you to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos.